kids! Welcome to Branio Homeschooling. Today, we will learn counting from 1 to 20. Are you ready? Let's go! First, let's revise numbers 0 to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job! Now let's go to the next step. We have 10 pencils in one group. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 10. So we say 10 pencils equals one group of 10. Now we will add more pencils to make new numbers. 10 and 1 makes 11. 11 pencils. 10 and 2 makes 12. 12 pencils. 10 and 3 makes 13. 13 pencils. 10 and 4 makes 14. 14 pencils. 10 and 5 makes 15. 15 pencils. 10 and 6 makes 16. 16 pencils. 10 and 7 makes 17. 17 pencils. 10 and 8 makes 18. 18 pencils. 10 and 9 makes 19. 19 pencils. 10 and 10 makes 20. 20 pencils. Now, kids, let's count together from 0 to 20. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job! Now quiz time. Let's check what you learned. 10 and 1 makes what? Yes, 11 pencils. 10 and 3 makes what? Yes, 13 pencils. 10 and 6 makes what? Yes, 16 pencils. 10 and 10 makes what? Yes, 20 pencils. Amazing work, kids! Now, practice writing numbers 0 to 20 in your notebook. If you want practice worksheets in PDF, comment below or email me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Branio Homeschooling. Bye-bye!